The first thing you need to do when using Canva is log in with your Google account. You can see up here I'm logged in with my Gmail. Then you have access to all of the free designs and templates on Canva. To see what's offered, you can go up here and search, or you can select from templates provided for you. You can add some more text if you need to. Once you're finished, you can click up onto download, and you can download your design, and it will save it to your Canva roll or a PDF document. You can also choose to save it just to your personal Canva account. And when you return home to your Canva, it will automatically save it to your account. You can also customize the labels of your documents so you remember what they are. These are some examples of the things that we have available to you for I Am Malala that we made on Canva. Our poster was made on Canva, and our writing activity was also made on Canva. If you have any questions about Canva or how to use it, and you would like to set up a Zoom meeting, or you would like some additional help, you can contact Becca or myself, and we both have our emails, posters, and everything available to you. All right, that's it for Canva. Thank you for watching. Bye.